Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussing Laravel 11 full course and this part 89 country, state, city dependence drop down edit value in database. And this my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Let's start this video. First of all, my gem server already started Apache and MySQL, and this is already run localhost PHP my admin. Inside this real estate, inside this is available this database name. Inside this is a port table is available. First of all, this is a country table is available. Second is a state table is available. Third is a city table, and this is a all ID is available. Address table inside this is available. This is a country, state and city, and this is a dependent. This is a available table, and this my project is available. This gem folder inside this htdoc folder inside this is a project Laravel underscore list estate. This is a project is available, and this already open this my sublime text editor. Let's this project inside this is a my command prompt open this directory inside this project directory inside this command prompt open php artisan server and enter. Successfully working good. This is a copy and paste here inside this paste. Successfully working. Let's slash admin login successfully login screen is available, and admin login. Let's admin @gmail.com password is 123456789 and click this login and not now. Successfully this is a login. Let's click this address inside this is a available list. Please check this previous video. Inside this is a all implement this, and action inside this new button is a click. This is a to record is available. This is a to recording. This is a join query is all implement. Let's action. This is a first of all this file is open resource view admin address, and this is a list file. Successfully list file is open, and this is the action button is already available. This action button, and this is a new action is a create action. Inside this action edit button a tag, close this a tag srf, and this is a create url, and this create admin address edit and dot. This is the same copy id copy and paste here. Class is the same class btn primary and edit. Save file and refresh this page. Successfully available. This is a edit button is a successfully created, and this is a dynamic id is a implementation. This is a dynamic id is a 1 and 2. This is a 1 and 2. This is a dynamic id is available. Let's click this edit this is id is a pass. Same here copy this url is a copy route.php open route inside this web.php open inside this function is available. This function route get paste here, and this is a id, and this location controller class, and this is a admin edit. This is a edit value editor. Save file. Let's copy this name and this location controller open this copy this name copy and location controller open. This location controller is available. Use app http controller and location controller app http controller, and this is a location controller. This location controller. Let's new function is a create public function, paste here, and this is id is already pass here. Inside this is id pass same here copy and paste here, and this is a paste here successfully paste, and this is a echo $id and die and save file and refresh this page. Successfully one is available. Click this edit, and this is a 2 is available. This is a 2 successfully show. Let's return view admin.address, and this new file is a create, file name is a edit, save file. Let's edit file is a create address. Let's copy same name, copy, and this new file is a create edit blade PSP. Successfully create. Let's hello, save file, and refresh this page, and this is a hello is a show. Good working. This remove, and this is a add file is a open. This add file and control A, select and copy this name, copy and paste here. Successfully paste. This is a working fine. This is a paste here, and this is a get record is available. This is a get record. Inside this is available get record. Same here, copy and paste here. $data, and this is data pass. $data pass, save file and refresh this page. Successfully available. This is a available, and this is a name sense step by step. This edit file is open. Inside this step by step included this edit. This is a edit dot create. Inside this is a included. This edit is a successfully set. Good working. This is a back button is a update. Update and refresh this page. Successfully all file is sent. Let's click this back button, and this is a 2 number is a show. Let's 2 number is available. This is a 2 number is a int. This edit is a 2 number. Let's first of all this Pakistan is a show. Let's Pakistan show. Inside this Pakistan is a show. Let's Pakistan is a show. Edit value $. This is a $. Data get record address is equal to, this is the model name is available address model. This is a model. This name is available address. Inside this find $ID. Save file. This is a data is a pass. All data is a pass. This address model is already included. Please check this previous video. Model is already included. This is a address model. Successfully this is a address model is a included. Find ID same here, copy, and inside this paste here $. Paste here, and this first is a ID select. This is ID is a set. Let's step by step. This is a selected. This value is a selected. All the value is a selected. Otherwise lost of issue is a available. Let's the same here, copy value. Value is a copy, and inside this paste here ID. ID is a paste here is equal to same here, copy this copy and this paste here, save in the same name, copy and paste here, and this inside this selected save file. Let's refresh this page, and this is a selected value is a selected. Good working. This Pakistan is a successfully selected. Good working. Let's select back button. Let's next is a Lahore is a select. Let's edit, and this is a Lahore is a select. Let's please wait. This Lahore is a selected but not available. This Lahore. Let's selected Lahore, and this is the inside this Lahore is a selected. First of all open this, and inside this is a name is a table name is a state table. Same here, copy this copy. State table is available. This state table, same this state table is available, and this is a Lahore is available. Let's Lahore model is already available. This is a state model. Same here, copy, and this is already included. Inside this is a included. Good working. This is a state is a included. $data get state is equal to paste here, and this where and this is a where is a inside, this is a id, same here, copy this id and paste here is equal to this is id, same here, copy and paste here, and this is a id, the name is a click this is a state id, this same here, copy state id, paste here, and this is a first is a select first, and this save file successfully first select, same here, copy, and inside this forest loop is a start forest loop @forest, paste here as $val, and this is the end forest, and same here, copy this, copy only, this is the only variable sense, this is the first is a variable is a sense, this variable is it is this val is a send inside this val, and this is a state name, this name inside this click this state, and this is a state name, copy, same name is a copy, and this name is a state id, this address inside this available, this state id, same, copy and paste successfully. This is a edit record is a Lahore is a selected. Let's refresh this page. Please wait, this is a Lahore is a selected. Why issue? This is a forest loop is a end expired, this forest, oh no, this is a end forest, 2 time is available, this remove not use, this is a 2 time, copy and paste, refresh this page. id, this is a id is a val is a id, this is a different name, which issue is a empty, this is the id is a selected, get record val, wait, this is a not issue, wait, this is a bull issue. Okay, I understand, 100% understand, this is the issue. Let's check, this is the first name, inside this is a remove, and this is a get save file, this is a get not a first. Let's refresh this page, successfully available, this is a Lahore is a available, good working, this Pakistan is a selected, this Pakistan is a selected, second is a Lahore is a selected, let's third is a putta, let's same here, copy, this is a copy, this step by step selected, let's last is a putta is a selected, inside this is a not a available any country, let's putta is a selected, same here, copy, otherwise table name is available, city table, click the city, city is inside this is available, this model is available, this city model, same model is already copy, and this is already included, this is a model is already included, the dollar data get city is equal to where dollar id is equal to the same name is a copy city, this is a city id is available, and this is a get record, get save file, this is a save file, and the city id is available, city id inside this is available, table inside this city id is this is city id, set, same, copy, and inside this is a create again forest loop, forest end forest, and this is a dollar forest city is $val 2 3, and same here, copy and paste here, this is a city id, same name is available, city id as it is, this is a 3 and city name, successfully implementation, this is all working fine. Let's save file and refresh this page, and this is all good. This is a Punga is a set successfully all set. This India is a not available. This is a Lahore is a not Lahore is available India. This select, and inside this India is a Gujarat is a select. City is available Bhavnagar. This is a dynamic working is a fine. This is a successfully all implementation. This edit value is a successfully selected. This is all edit value is a selected successfully set, and this selected, and this is a all null. This is a null, and this is a state is a null. Good working. This is USA is a select. Inside this is available US in Paco, and this is a Paco. Inside this is a not available. This Tokyo inside this is available. Please check this Tokyo inside not available. No. Poco inside this available. Yes, this Paris. Let's update this record. Same, please writing this step by step. This writing all successfully set. This is a writing, and this is the implementation. Let's copy this name, copy, and this ID pass, and this method is a post method is available. Route post method, same route, and this is a ID. Location controller class update this same copy. Let's copy this name, public function. This is a public function, and paste here, and this $ID, and this request is a set $request. This same here copy. This is already included. This same copy and paste here, and this is a remove, and this inside this only find $ID. Record is a update. Successfully updated. Good working. This is a update. This name is available. Country ID, state ID name, and this last is a city ID. Successfully all implementation. Please, this is a update record. Let's back button, click this. Inside this save, refresh this page. This is a as it is. Let's step by step. This value is a sense. This value inside this USA Paco, in this Paris, and this is a name change. Let's name is a sense, and this is the India name is a select. Let's update record. Edit. This is a all record is a show. Let's select this is a Pakistan. Inside this is available. This Pakistan inside this, and this is a Pakistan inside this, and Bihar inside this available, not available. Bihar inside this not available. Lahore is available. Lahore inside this Gutta, and update record successfully available. Pakistan, Lahore, and Gutta, and this name. Let's inside this name sense edit. This place message is a show. Please check this previous all video. Otherwise lost of doubt is a create or mind. Otherwise not a you are clear. This is a successfully US is a select. Please wait. This is available Poco inside this country. Inside this available Paris, and update. This drop down is 100% working. This is a all successful, and different ID is a sense. This different ID is a sense. Good working. This is a successfully all implementation and edit. Any doubt, the please contact this my official website errorsolutioncode.com. Telegram, WhatsApp, and Skype is available. And this new project development, the please contact 7 year experience. Inside this lost of project is available. Please buy and my channel, subscribe, and click the bell icon. Follow this all link, Facebook, Instagram, and GitHub. Please write down this code. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.